Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my wellness planner, which is the Wild Styled Classic Size Happy Planner, and I am going to be using Beauty in Florals. That's what I decided to use for the whole month of April. I think it is so exciting because I love this book so much. I think it's very elegant and elevated and really posh. So I'm gonna start off with maybe incorporating some washi strips. I'm sorry, I'm a little off of the frame, but I'm gonna fix it in just 1 second. I'm gonna grab my white Signa Uni-Ball pen and kind of mark all of those marks to make sure that nothing is seeping through. I'm really liking this beautiful washi tape, and this washi tape is on clear sticker paper that is brand new to the Happy Planner. We typically don't have washi on a clear sticker paper. And as you can see, I'm just eyeballing the amount of white space I need. I'm gonna lay this down. Oh, it's so beautiful. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing this week with this sticker book. I think it's a little bit different, and as always, I want to see how many spreads I can do with this one book. I'm really loving the beautiful florals and wreaths and the delicateness of these florals that are not on dark backgrounds as well. So I think these are magnolias and they're gorgeous. So I'm just gonna put them in here. I'm gonna white out some lines to make sure that this green doesn't get kind of transpired through it. Just some of these stickers in general are absolutely stunning and beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep looking for stickers that make me happy and go with this vibe, and I'm gonna keep layering them till I find something I love. I think I can use these beautiful magnolias in here as well, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the checklist. And I make 5 lines every single day. This is for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and any kind of supplements. So that's kind of how these go. And I'm just gonna fast forward me making these checklists because it is super boring. So I apologize. Okay, so then Saturday and Sunday. I think that's good, right? Let's see. Okay, so we have our checklists. I like that. And it's time to work on the additional decorations. Here we go. And I love this one as well, especially with the quotes, so it's gonna inspire me throughout the week. Don't be afraid to be you. So being authentic and being true to yourself is so important. I am taking my wellness pretty seriously as of late, especially after my scare and an episode. I did resign from my job, and I am in a process of accepting new positions, and I am taking a little bit of time to myself to kind of recuperate and figure out what needs to happen in my life for me to get back to my authentic self. And I don't know if you guys have the same feelings, but with the Happy Planner, their stuff is so on par for me that whenever I'm going through something, there's like a whole bunch of stickers that are telling me what I need to know and what I already know, but what I need to push myself to do. So like knowing to be true to yourself, or knowing that this particular position is not a fit for you for one reason or another. Those are pretty life-changing events, right? So I actually feel like a huge weight was lifted off of me, and it feels pretty great. So I can't wait to go ahead and kind of start the next chapter. And I'm gonna use a couple of these like messages on circles and add them into my planner because I need those positive affirmations. So staying true, you're amazing, wild and free, hello pretty, dream big, and then happy with you. So all of those things are just like small reminders to be excited about each day. We unfortunately only have a lifespan of an average human, and we cannot have longer lives, so we need to get it right. And I've been writing these messages to myself lately in my journal, saying things like, well, this is the first day of the rest of your life. It's up to you how you choose to live it, right? So those are kind of the messages and things that I'm sending to myself and writing to myself. So when that happens, I'm like, oh yeah, I need to kind of have my stuff together and know if I'm not unhappy, I need to do something about it. It cannot be just, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna pass. Sometimes it will, but give yourself deadlines, and if it doesn't, then you have to do something about it. What else do I need in this spread? Maybe I keep it pretty simple this week. I've been keeping my wellness planner pretty simple, and it's been actually giving me a lot of joy by keeping it so simple. So just might add like tiny little things here and there, like so. And I'm gonna keep it all with those magnolias and kind of one theme. I think they are so gorgeous. So let me know what you guys think about this spread. I am going to be adding one more of those wreaths to balance out the spread, and I think that's gonna elevate the look because I'm missing something in that area. So let's take a look, but I think that's gonna work out pretty great, and it did. So let me know what you guys think, and I can't wait to plan with you guys again very, very soon. Have a great week, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye!